Act was passed 5 years ago, and when the minister yesterday came with an amending bill, we expected that we would give us a brief report on the working on this measure for the last few years, but unfortunately we are kept in the dark in regard to the exact working of the act and the nature of the difficulties the minister is facing. Stop, sir. As far as I know, many of the provision of this enactment have been observed more in violation by his agents at the state level. The food minister may be very earnest, may be very able, the very anxious to see that the various provisions of the act are implemented in the most effective manner at the state level, and unfortunately his agents at the state level are not equal enthusiastic or equally anxious to observe the provisions of the enactment. The most important objectives of this enactment are to be control the supply and distribution of commodities and to maintain a stable price level. In regard to both these aspects, I am afraid that the government has failed to realize the objectives in views. Some time past, when there was a scarcity of food grains, attempts were made to make a procurement from certain wholesale merchant and from rice mills. In my own state, I know of many instances of such procurement where, after making know that certain things bad to be done, certain step and to be taken by the merchant commodity, nothing was done later on by the government when they found that these very order of the government were violated. As a result of the violations, there was a consequent rise in the prices of food grains in respect of other commodity like iron and steel, paper, etc. We see a lot of speculative activities, but the provisions of the act have not been brought to bear on them. Stop. Perhaps no case of prosecution was launched against those people who controversy the various provisions of the Act. We are interested to know to how many cases the government have taken steps to prosecute initiative who have violated the various section of the Act. The minister said that the powers under the Act were not adequate. We sympathetic with the food minister, but I want to know what action had been taken this regard by the various state government. Stop this matter. Then